Tor Browser is known for its focus on privacy, but that doesn't mean you have to keep the default layout. You can personalize the browser interface by changing which buttons appear on your toolbar, moving important tools closer, and creating a setup that matches the way you browse. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your toolbar in Tor Browser. Let's get started. Open Tor Browser on your computer. The quickest way to access toolbar customization is by using the toolbar itself. Right-click on an empty space near the top of the browser, somewhere around the area next to your tabs or toolbar buttons. From the menu that appears, select Customize Toolbar. This will open the customization screen where you can rearrange the different elements available in Tor Browser. Here you can drag and drop buttons to change their position, remove items you don't use, or add tools that you want to access more quickly. Available options can include features such as bookmarks, downloads, history, new private window, extensions, zoom controls, and other browser functions. For example, if you regularly manage bookmarks, placing bookmark tools directly on the toolbar can save time. If you frequently check downloaded files, adding the Downloads button gives you faster access without opening additional menus. You can also create a cleaner interface by removing buttons that you rarely use and keeping only the features that matter to you. For users who prefer a minimal browser layout, this is a simple way to reduce clutter while keeping important privacy-related tools easy to reach. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same customization menu and select Restore Defaults to bring the toolbar back to its original arrangement. Keep in mind that changing the toolbar only affects the appearance and accessibility of browser controls. It does not change Tor Browser's privacy protections or how your connection is handled. And that's it. You've successfully customized your toolbar in Tor Browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.